I'm Letty, I'm your hostess today, and today I'm going to show you how to do a gardener's gift. I have a little party coming up, so I want to show you something very fast, very simple, very inexpensive. I got everything from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to show you how to put it together so you have a nice gift when you get to your hostess's house. So we're going to start today with this little tin. It says Fleurs and Harleen. It's very, very cute, not too big, maybe about 12 inches. And what we're going to do, I'm going to show you all the ingredients I'm going to show you all the elements that will go into the little container so that you'll have a beautiful presentation and it'll look really, really nice. So we're going to start with, we have some of this little Easter basket filler. You can buy it at the Dollar Tree, it's very inexpensive. Also, we have, this is paper that you pack with, and I cut it in little small portions so that I can crumble it up and put it at the bottom of the container. That way I don't have to fill it up with all of this. Then I've got some little cutters here. We have some little garden gloves. I have a little box of seeds, random seeds, assorted seeds. And then I've got two different little utensils that you can use in the garden. I'm going to also put a little magazine, just a garden magazine for ideas. This is the bag that we'll be using. It's an oversized bag because I want it to have a lot of poof at the top. If you get a bag that's going to fit it, it'll just stand up and it won't look pretty. Then we've got our clear tape. That's very important because clear tape does not show up on the cellophane. I've got a pair of scissors, and then I've got my signature ribbon. This is a ribbon I love to use for everything. So, well, let's get started. We're going to get these and wad them up, put them towards the bottom of the container. Maybe 3 or 4 will do. And you can use newspaper, you can use tissue, whatever you like. I think I'm going to put 6 of these in here just so that it'll be nice and full. And then we will open our little grass and put some grass in there. These are all at the Dollar Tree. Very inexpensive, $1.75. So then we're going to go ahead and get a few little pieces of this and just drop it in there. We'll make a little mess, but it's okay. We can clean it up later. So we're going to just put this in here. Make sure that your paper is down at the bottom. And then we're going to just fill this to where we don't see any of that paper. You might use the whole container. I'm not sure. And I like for it to come around on the sides and kind of hang out. Just fill it up really, really well so that we don't see any of the paper. Now, we want to start with something that's going to give us something to hold on to. So I'm going to put the magazine first. Okay, I'm going to push it in here so that it'll have something to hold all of our stuff with. So we have our garden tools that I think I'm going to just space out and set it up against there. Okay, you see how it's holding up against the magazine? And if you need to, you can put tape on them. And then in the center, well, towards the middle here, I will put those. Whoops! Gotta make sure it's nice and sturdy in there. Okay. And then we'll put our gloves towards the bottom maybe to fill up space there. And then I have this little box of flower seeds. So we have all of our ingredients inside of here. And I'll pick up all of this and just make sure and use it. So after we put all of our product inside of there, we're going to get our cellophane bag. This is a very easy basket to do. Very simple. And you look good when you get to your hostess's house. So we're going to get this. Now these cellophane bags, you can buy them at Amazon. And I bought the assorted sizes because you never know what size of basket you're going to be using. Or container. Just making a gift basket doesn't always have to use a basket. You can go to the thrift store and find a really cute container and work it just like this. So we're pulling this up, and you can see that it's got a big tail up here, okay? Because we want that to look pretty. So we're going to pull it all the way down to the bottom. Now, because it's big, we've got these little wings here on the side. But it's okay because we're going to tape them down. So we're going to get our ribbon. And I'm going to cut just probably a little bit there. Not that much. And make my bow. So I would turn it around so that I can get to the front and make a bow right here, nice and tight. You see how that looks, how pretty? And this ribbon has a little bit of wire, so it's gonna stay, and it's gonna have a very nice little piece. So what I'm gonna do here on the side, since we have like little wings, we're gonna get them, and we're gonna pull them to the back, just like that, and get your clear tape. Clear, not opaque. It's very important because when you get your clear tape, it doesn't show on this. And just tape it in the back, right here. Just put one little tape, maybe two. I'll put two just in case. And I'll tape it on there. And see, you can't see the clear. So we're going to turn it around and do this side now. So I'm going to get it like this. Let me get me some tape. Get it like this. And just move it over like that. I'll get that air out of there. Okay. Very, very, very easy and really so pretty. Okay, so here we have our basket. And we're going to pull this up. Make sure it's nice and pretty. So, I'm going to get another piece of ribbon. Tie it up. Just to have two ribbons on here. And a little bit longer so I can make a bow on there. Okay? So, I'm going to just turn this around. Turn it to the side like this so that you can see it. And I'm going to tighten it real tight up there. Okay? Looks like an Easter basket, doesn't it? Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness, I love it. You know what? I think I'm going to cut a little bit of this because it is a little bit top heavy. So I'm going to cut a little bit of this. Just get your scissors and cut it just like that. Okay? And then we'll do that. And we're going to just tie our bows. Two little bows here. How cute is that? I love it. Okay, so since these have a little bit of wire, we're going to fluff them out a little bit. Like that. Okay. And that way it'll make a nice little bow. Look at how cute that looks. So just fluff up your ribbon. I recommend that you use a ribbon with wire, because that way you can shape it. And you can always add more ribbon, a larger ribbon if you want. And here is our basket. Our garden basket. All the pretty little things that you could give to a gardener. I think they're going to love it when they get it. Thanks for watching.